Hello, Mark Herman here, and I just wanted to say a few more words about the Great River Road food drive and bike ride. Right now, I'm still in disagreement on the contract, and I'm waiting to hear from my sponsor. And if I haven't heard from them by the middle of this week, it looks like I'm going to be sitting this back till May and seeking out new sponsors or paying for the bicycle myself through fundraising. I'm not really sure yet what's going to happen. I'm kind of hoping I'll hear from the sponsors, but the clock is ticking on when I want to leave. The weather changes around here real soon, and I do not want to tackle that. Having said that, the bicycle was an original intent for a three-purpose thing: making me healthier, promoting some websites I'm putting out now, and the bicycle that I was riding, and the ride itself. I was going to promote the ride and do the food drive. I planned on passing out 2 cans of food to every town I went through, town, city, and village, and as a symbolic gesture to start this food drive, and hoping that that would help kick it off even larger, and the bike ride would kick it off even larger. I've thought of a way to start this food drive without having to do the bike ride, but the bike ride was all about fun, and I want to see this Great River Road, and it was about a challenge to make me healthier. So I still intend to do this bike ride. If the sponsor fails me, or we don't negotiate together and make an agreement before it's too late this year, then I will be seeking, like I say, another sponsor, and I'm still going to do this as early as possible next year, probably May. Depends on when the weather breaks. I'm going to have to watch and get that Farmer's Almanac out and see when my first shot at it next year would be. But I can just use that for more planning. I plan on riding the full Great River Road and starting a food drive in every county. And I plan on putting a 360 camera on top of my head, and hopefully I can get that connected to the internet for a live feed. That'd be great. But I got a lot of planning to do, and I got a lot of work to do, and I got to get myself physically able to ride 3,000 miles. I'm in a lot of process here, but as for the food drive, it's very important that we all support this. And if you're thinking about helping me with this, watch this video if you need some kind of incentive other than it's just the right thing to do. I can think of 25 million reasons to do this food drive. But I need just 212 other people to do what I volunteered to do, and we will make a very big food drive happen. This will be my highlight of my life and yours too. This will be a great success for it, and I don't want anybody thinking that they wants this, that considers it a job or a duty or a responsibility. This is a privilege. You are getting the privilege to do this for that many people. I feel privileged myself, and for you to be able to do something that's going to help this many people, you are privileged. And I'm looking for 212 other people who feel privileged to help me make this happen. This would be a great thing if we can get it done. And you will be one lucky person like myself if we can help all these people. Help me, come join me. Be a food company, be an artist, be anything. Just come join me. And if you want a reason, watch this video.